So I just got to AC Moore, it's back there, and I'm gonna go see what they have as far as Christmas stuff. I'm gonna get a few things, so I'll show you what they have, and then when I get home I'll do like a whole haul, because I still want to go to Walmart and maybe Burlington today. So let's go check out what's at AC Moore, and I'll show you guys what I find. So I wanted to show what I got today at the couple of stores I went to. So I ended up going to AC Moore and Hobby Lobby, and that was it. That's all I had time for. But I got a few things that I am really excited about. So I got 2 of these garlands. So this is 25 feet of pine garland, and it has tinsel in it, which is really pretty. So I got 2 of those. And I think at least one of them I'm going to put on the railing of the stairs. I don't know what I'll do with the other one, but I'll figure it out. And then also at AC Moore, I got these little candle holders. They are like pretend bark. I don't know what this is called. But these 3 were, I think it was like 3 for $9 or something. So I got this one that's like a tall one, and then a medium, and then a short one. And I think I'm going to put that in the kitchen to decorate the kitchen, because I don't have anything for the kitchen. So I love that. And then I got these little treat bags, and also these. So I'm thinking I'm going to make like cookies or the cheesecake bars that I like to do, and put them in here for when we have our Christmas party. And then I saw this cute little Santa Paws coloring book, so I got that for my daughter. I think she's gonna like that. And then this little tree has a little bit of like glitter on it. I think this was like $8. I can't remember now how much this was. Let's see, $8. It was $7.99. Again, this is from AC Moore, and I think I might put this in the kitchen as well. So that's really cute. And then I got these 2. So these are 15 feet of tinsel garland, and it's white. So I got 2 of these because they were 2 for $7. Everything at AC Moore was on sale. All the Christmas stuff is on sale. So got that. And I'm probably going to be putting these on the stairs with the green garland. So the last couple of things that I got were these trays for $1 each at AC Moore. And I have a bunch of these. I think I have either 4 or 5 of these already from last year. So I picked some more up this year because I love them. So this one says Merry and Bright. These are just candy canes. So I got 4 of these, and they were $1 each. This one's like a little gift. So cute. And then the last one is just some ornaments. So these were $1. Love them. Perfect for our Christmas party. So those are the things that I got at AC Moore on that side. So I got this runner from Hobby Lobby, and it says $25, but it was half off. So it's like 12 bucks. And it's a white with snowflakes on it. So I thought it would look really good on this table here to kind of break up the gray. And this tablecloth is from Hobby Lobby from last year. And I think they had this year too. And it's like gray with snowflakes on it. So I thought that was going to look good. And then I was looking for placemats like these, but plain white ones. And I couldn't find them, but I found these that had this like rainbow detail. But it's like it's not glued or anything. It's like sewn on. So I'm just going to cut those off. So I could have these plain mats. Because what I was thinking is that I want to put the snowflake on the white mat like that, so the snowflake actually stands out against the gray. I don't know why they didn't have any of these plain ones without this little rainbow thing. So I got 4 of these. They were $5 each. These weren't Christmas related, so there wasn't a sale on them. All the Christmas stuff at Hobby Lobby was also on sale, but these were not because these aren't Christmas stuff. And then the last thing I got was this little pillow. It says "Oh Holy Night." It's a gray pillow with like a gold star. So pretty. So I'm gonna put this on that chair. Actually, I'm gonna put it over there right now. So that chair was kind of plain and didn't have anything on it. So I love how that looks. Perfect. So when I go to decorate and figure out where I'm going to put this stuff, I will show you guys how it all turns out. So yesterday I showed the stuff that I got at AC Moore and Hobby Lobby, and then today I ended up going back to AC Moore because they had a lot of really good sales. And so I got a few more things that I wanted to share with you. I'm actually really excited. And then I am gonna do so I'm gonna decorate with the stuff that I bought. And then I have kind of like a couple of like crafty projects that I have to do with the stuff that I bought today. So I'm gonna show you all the stuff that I got today, and then I am gonna try to finish decorating this first floor. So I'm gonna get through showing you guys the stuff that I bought today at AC Moore, and I use a like $10 off coupon and a 50% off a regular price item coupon. So that was nice. And I used just go online and check Retail Me Not, and you could find a ton of coupons for whatever store you're in. So I also went to Bath and Body Works today because I just ran out of one of my fresh balsam candles, and also my twisted peppermint, which is one of my favorites. It smells so good. So I ran out of those two. I do have a spare fresh balsam still left over that I got a couple weeks ago, and then I have a brand new marshmallow fireside, which actually is leftover from last Christmas. Last Christmas I didn't really burn that many candles, but this year I'm home more of the week, so I've been burning them when I've been home. So I'm gonna show you the candles that I got, and then I'm gonna go through the stuff that I got at AC Moore. So for candles, I picked up this one called Winter. It smells really nice. Oh my god. So this one smells really good and fresh. I'm gonna keep this one down here. And then I got another one of my favorites, which is Twisted Peppermint. I love that one. It's one of my all-time favorites. I got this one called Tree Farm, and it's really similar to Fresh Balsam, but this actually smells like a real life tree. It smells really good. It smells like a fir tree, I think they're called. Anyway, so that's the third one I got. And then I got a marshmallow fireside. I didn't know I had one of these like brand new at home, so I have one there like right in the middle of the console table. So this marshmallow fireside, I'm just gonna take it upstairs and burn it in my bedroom because I love it so much. So those are the 4 candles that I got today at Bath and Body Works, and I love them. So this is some of the stuff that I got at AC Moore. I got 2 pairs of these black, just plain gloves because they were $1 each. So I got 2 of those. And then I got these 4 battery powered candle lights, and I'm gonna put them on the windows on the front of my house. So I have 2 windows here, and then upstairs I have 1 window in my room and 1 window in the baby's room that are towards the front of the house. So I'm gonna put those there, and I'll do those probably tomorrow. And then I got these 4, and these were $1 each. And then I got these 4 poinsettia clips. So they have these little clips on the back. So these are originally $5 each, and I got them for like $2.49, I think. So I got 4 of those. So I got those to put on some plain wreaths that I bought also at AC Moore. So I'm going to show you those. So I got these wreaths. These are like small. They're pretty small. And they were 4 for $10. So I got 4 of them. And I'm going to put 2 in the front of the house and 1 on the side door and 1 on the back door. They're really nice. I got to fluff them a little bit. So then I bought these little poinsettia things to put on here. And then I got a couple other things that I'm gonna put on these wreaths to spruce them up. So I got 4 of those. And then these little thingies were like 50 cents. So I got 4 of them to put 1 on each. I might break it up a little bit more and like spread out the little white pieces. And then I got this long garland with these like little berries on them. And I'm going to cut these up and put them on the wreaths. And then this really pretty one over here, I am going to put on the fireplace, like on the mantle. So pretty, has glitter on it and has these little white balls. And it kind of brings in more green since I don't have a lot of green inside of the house. So that's all the stuff that I got at AC Moore today.